This is Tom Arnold from Concern Worldwide. East Africa has been hit by its worst drought in over 60 years. Over 10 million people are on the brink of starvation. In Somalia, whole families are walking for weeks, driven by hunger and desperation, across barren land, with no food or water. We've just received this exclusive film footage from one of our team there. Darfuro is a mother who walked 300 kilometers to a camp in Mogadishu. She had 6 children, but one died on the journey. The rest of her children are now sick, suffering from fever, diarrhea, measles and malnutrition. The children are so dehydrated they can't cry. Other stories are equally as bad. Parents have had to split their families, leaving children who are too weak to travel behind. These people have nothing, but concern is there. We have been working in the region for 25 years. These pictures show Concern's Emergency Nutrition Centre in Mogadishu. Here, children are given food and medical attention. They are tested for malaria and treated for illness. We are giving families the most basic items like blankets, plastic sheeting and kitchen sets. However, more needs to be done. We need more financial resources to expand our emergency programs. The situation is set to get worse, and if we don't help these people, tens of thousands will die. Thank you.